COVID-19 deaths for the month of May continue to increase. This as 50 more people succumbed to the virus over the last 24 hours. Among the deaths are 10 men and 5 women. The latest figures from the Ministry of Health bring the number of deaths for the month of May to 271 people, and the total to date is now at 440. 526 people have also tested positive for COVID-19. The cases reported today reflect samples taken from May 20 to 26 and not the last 24 hours. The number of active COVID-19 cases now stands at 8,922. Tobago has recorded another COVID-related death, taking the death toll on the island to 9. The Division of Health, Wellness and Family Development says the person is a 38-year-old male with comorbidities. The division also reported 19 new positive cases of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours. There are now 143 active cases on the island. At Thursday's Division of Health update, a member of the COVID response team, Dr. Anthony Thompson, said over the last 7-day period, 101 new cases have been reported. He says once current trends continue, they predict a major strain on Tobago's health system. With the current COVID-19 statistics in Tobago, health officials are not foreseeing positive health outcomes. During Friday's Division of Health update, a member of the COVID response team, Dr. Anthony Thompson, reported that over the last 7-day period, 101 new cases have been reported. He explained that utilizing a forecasting tool, once current trends continue, they predict a major strain on Tobago's health system.
Over the next 4 weeks, the number of new cases will rise every week. It will peak in week 14 at 166 new cases for that week, and then it would start to decline. It doesn't reach down to less than 100 until 4 weeks later. So we could expect between weeks 14 and weeks 24 to record in excess of 100 new cases per week.
Dr. Thompson added that with an increase in cases, there would be more severe cases and more deaths. Based on the prediction for that period, there would be 1,593 cases in Tobago. However, he explained there is potential to change this forecast if persons comply with regulations and there is a reduction in the number of contacts per person.
In 1 week, we could cut it to 3/4, and then we could half it by the second week. And the difference between the two curves is staggering. The number of new cases per week under the hope scenario would fall to single digits by week 17 rather than week 25. That would be a full 2 months ahead. And we would record a total of 610 new cases over the entire period of the modeled outbreak. That's 983 fewer cases than the scenario that we're planning.
Tobago has recorded 1 new COVID death, taking the toll to 9. There are 143 active cases on the island.